Yo, this is Alex Epic Wins here. I just want to tell you 2 or 3 or maybe even 5 awesome people you should check out the channels. One's Live at Smods, the other is Mr. Prime Host, then Custom Patcher, he makes menu bases. And on Live at Smods and Mr. Prime Host, you can find their YouTube channels and their videos. They have links on. I think you should sub and like both of them. They make good videos and a lot of good stuff. That's really cool and can help you out. So I would sub to them regardless. Just check out the vids. My vids are shit because I don't have a capture card or nothing, so I can't really do much. Sorry about that. But yeah, check out their vids. They're really cool people. So yeah. If y'all want to know how to do what I'm doing right here, it's really simple. It's just a program. It's free. But yeah, just check out the vids. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Peace out.